Hi, welcome to this session. The previous session we have seen that how we have to download the chrome.exe files and then we have to set the path to the driver file in our code. But right now we are going to learn a better way in which we are going to directly initialize the driver object without doing all the steps that I've already mentioned in the previous session. So let's start right away. I have created some task over here in Eclipse, which would help us to say that which task is completed and which task is pending. There are three tasks that I have listed over here. One is import jars, the next is initialize WebDriver object, the third is to quit the browser. Let us start with the first one, that is import the jars. First we need to import our jars, that is the libraries, so that we can use the codes that are available in that libraries and access the features that they provide. For importing the jars, go to Google and then type over here Maven repository. Go to this link and then we need to search our jars. Now in this particular session we need only two jars. The first one is the Selenium Java. Click on search. And the next one is the WebDriver Manager. Over here you can see that there are 35,000 results that are found and you need to choose among these results what is your required jar file. In order to choose the right jar among this list, we need to check the group ID and the artifact ID. We need Selenium Java jar file from the Selenium HQ org. So let us choose this. Now at the bottom of this page, we can see that there are so many versions and usages that is given. The versions depict the version number, that is the latest version, and the usages say that how many people have used this particular jar file. So for the version 4, not many people have used it. So we need to carefully choose the jar file that some of the people have used it and which is the most relevant version. So just click on 3.141.59 version and copy this dependency. In POM file, we are going to paste the dependency, which I have already done over here. Similarly, let us also download the WebDriver Manager. For that, go to the Maven repository and then type WebDriver Manager and search. Over here, the first is the relevant option that we want, which is the WebDriver Manager from github.com. Over here, you can see that not many people have used WebDriver Manager. So let us download the latest version. That is the version 4.0.0. I have copied this particular code and I have already pasted this in pom.xml file. So now that we have completed our task 1, that is the importing jars, we need to do one more change, and that is change the JRE system library over here. Just right click on it and you will be able to go to the build path and then go to configure build path. Over here you will be able to see a default JRE system library. Just remove that. And now we are going to add the latest JDK version. So just click on add library and over here select JRE system library. Click on next. If you are not getting this particular option along with the version, just go to install JRE and over here you will be able to add the JRE that you want. Select the standard VM. Go to next. And then you need to select the GRE home. This means wherever your Java is kept. So you need to traverse to the place where your Java is present. For me, my Java file is in C drive program files. So I'm just going to click on that folder and select this folder. So you can see that the name is already in use. So if you want to give another name, just write Java 14 and then click on finish. Over here you can see that I am able to add the JDK. So here I have added the new JRE that I wanted. So after this, click on apply and then you will be able to see the workspace default JRE Java 14. So just select that and then click on finish. So over here you can see that the JDK was instantly set up by the Maven project. So there is one last change over here that you need to make. Over here you need to make one more change. So go to Window, go to Preferences and then type over here Java. Then you will be able to see the editor part, and inside the editor you will be able to see the content assist, and inside which you will be able to find advanced. And over here you need to just click on this Java proposals and then click on apply and close. And now this particular setting will help you to get the default options available when you are coding, and which is very helpful. So let us now create our class, and for that first we'll create a package. I've named it as WebDriver Manager Use and click on finish. Let us now create our class. Right click, go to new and then go to class. I will name this class as call driver manager. Choose the public static void main option and click on finish. So let us just call the WebDriver manager to help us with the setup part. Now you can see that I can add Chrome driver.setup. Now this particular code has helped us replace. This code over here has helped us replace this entire line where we need to provide our Chrome driver.exe file, and we need to set that which driver we are supposed to use. So let us just comment it. With just one single line and just one import of jar, you would be able to do this. So with this, we don't need to download the Chrome driver.exe file anymore. So let us delete it. Initialize the WebDriver instance with the Chrome driver object. In order to get this auto suggestions, you have to press Ctrl space. Let us type the name as browser. And you are able to get the option Chrome driver. Just hit enter. Add the semicolon. And now we are going to quit the browser. Just click on run and execute your code. Then over here we need to use the Chromium driver for using Chromium browser, Firefox driver for Firefox browser, IE driver for Internet Explorer driver, and Opera driver for Opera browser. So this is all for this session. So all the tasks are completed, and now we are able to use the WebDriver manager to do the setup work for us without downloading the Chrome driver exe or any other driver executable file for that instance. Thank you.